CEO of GMCBL, did, just when the lockdown was imposed, and it was difficult to, maintain the supply chain, and how is it that the things are going to reach out. So as she said that, Sonalji, I would like to invite you next, that you repurposed the city bus service, and it's not that you have those the first generation buses. These are absolutely the third to fourth generation buses, luxury, perhaps in a way better than Delhi, I can say. The air conditioned buses. So how did you think of repurposing that? In fact, must have been quite a challenging thing, and also your staff, without having to run the buses, without having to earn. You have been paying your staff, or your drivers, your support staff, and everybody. So you are partially a government organization, but at the same time, you have to maintain the profit. So how did you marry the two?
So good afternoon, Mr. Dhanjal. Good afternoon, everybody. Aapne jaisa briefly, you have just mentioned that I am looking after the city bus operations in Gurugram. I am also in charge as additional CEO of the GMDA, which is the Metropolitan Development Authority. So I very briefly mentioned in my opening remarks that when the lockdown was announced, so it was traditionally expected and assumed that the city bus, since the public transport is not going to operate, so it was also kind of expected from the city bus Gurugram also that we would be shutting the operations. So when actually we looked at our depot, it's not a very big fleet. We have hardly like 200 buses in the city, and all these buses are CNG operated, and they are low floor buses. And they have been actually operating on around 18 to 20 routes before the lockdown was announced. So when this lockdown situation came in, there were some issues with respect to the movement of, the transporting of the essential goods and supply of essential goods and services to the citizens. As we are all aware of that, Gurugram is so-called the millennial city of India, and in fact, it assumes a very special and importance in context of the entire state of Haryana. So everybody's focus immediately turns towards Gurugram and of course Faridabad, being the two neighboring districts which are adjacent to Delhi. So when we thought of how we can utilize this bus service for helping out to the people. So one very important initiative which we took in consideration with the MCG, that is the corporation, was that we repurposed our few buses. Around 8 to 10 buses on a daily basis would go and make the supply of the essential this food items as well as fruits and vegetables to the RWAs, to various condominiums, and also to various localities. I mean, the different kind of localities. So there was a very good system device. There was because the MCG has this RWS database and they are directly in connect with them, with the citizens. So the nodal officer was appointed by the MCG, and we would be getting requests through the district food and civil supplies officer and the secretary, this agriculture marketing board. So basically these three departments along with the GMCBL had interacted, and we kind of almost for 2 months we carried out this operation, and this was very well appreciated, especially in the containment zones. Because as you rightly mentioned that Gurugram initially was at a very comfortable position, but then slowly because of various reasons the cases have risen up, and we now have close to like more than 3,500 cases, out of which around 17 to 1,800 cases are still active in the district. So in the containment zone, especially, this kind of facility became very helpful. Also, when this issue of this migrant workers was there, so our buses only were actually kind of taken by the administration for making these migrant workers reach out to the relief camps. Even though, we have also Haryana Roadways buses. So Haryana Roadways throughout the state of Haryana are running. GMCBL is a special bus. It is an SPV which was formed only for Gurugram, and it will be also expanded in Faridabad now as per decision of the government. So the administration decided that we would be using the GMCBL buses instead of the Haryana Roadways buses, because the roadways buses were being used for other kind of purposes. We also, at our own level, we distributed the relief material to the people living in slums. That was purely on a voluntary basis from the team of Guru Gaman. Also, we distributed the sanitary items for promoting health and hygiene to the various people living in slums. One of our bus was also converted as a mobile bus for collecting samples for COVID-19 test. So this was a kind of a drive-through collection center, and it was basically focused towards movement in the containment zones. It was an initiative in coordination with GM CBL along with the Pathways Diagnostic Center, right? So along with that, now as we know that this Vande Bharat mission, and it started in the month of May, so we were kind of supposed to make the Indian citizens who are arriving at the airport to reach out to the various quarantine locations. So the GMCBL buses only were used, and they are being used even till recently for making the citizens reach out to the various quarantine locations within Gurugram and also different parts of Haryana. Our buses are being used to transport various medical health teams to different PHCs also, and also for transportation of the patients from various quarantine locations when they are being discharged to various their home locations. Also, I would like to mention that GMCBL has been helping out district administration through various social media activities. We have our Twitter, Facebook, on which we have been regularly sharing our advisories which are issued by the Government of Haryana, Central Government, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, etc. So basically, we have kind of tried to shoulder the responsibility with the district administration, and it has been quite effective.